Before we get into this video and talk about Camber Energy, I just want to ask you a question. How much did your stock make you this week, or all the different stocks that you're in? If you want to know how this stock made me 250% in the last week, watch the rest of this video. Welcome everybody to VVP Trading. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I upload just like this. It can consist of basically trading techniques or analysis of different pairs, whether it be forex market, stock market, or crypto. As I mentioned before, this one stock, Camber Energy, CEI, in the last week has made a phenomenal growth of about 250%. So if we go into Robinhood, this is how I found this stock in particular. We go down here. So daily movers. Okay. So I put price at basically the smallest amount. I wanted to see which stock had fallen, above 50-60% in the last, let's say weeks, months or so. And I came across Camber Energy and a few other stocks that I'll talk about in an upcoming video. I do have a watch list right here of many individual stocks that I currently am in right now, what I want to be seeing at particular prices and what I'm expecting to happen in upcoming weeks. So we go right here, Camber Energy. So we see right here in the last 5 years. So this is a big time span, but in the last 5 years, the stock had dropped from $4,700 to, I believe, all-time low was 43 cents. So it dropped 99.99%. So when something falls that insanely, we don't need it to go up $500, $800, even 30-40 cents. That right there is a recipe for over 100% in profit. And as we see here, this right here was all-time low of the stock, which was at 34 cents. I got in right here at this 49-cent mark. And initially, I did not put too much in the market because into this stock because I didn't want to expose myself too much. And I also had about 6-7 other stocks that I was in as well. So I didn't want to, put my whole account into one stock and then not knowing what it was going to do, just wait for it or just be in huge drawdown. So right away, so first hour, you see this green candle right here. So an hour after I got into the market, price went up about 40%. So after just 1 hour. So that is when I knew that I should be watching the stock and that I would be analyzing it and basically anticipating its next move. And with that being said, price came to this area where we do have previous resistance here. I was watching it, and then I re-entered at this price because we have a falling wedge. So basically just, consolidation downward, which indicates a move to the upside. That's exactly what happened. Price moved up to around the $1 area mark, and then it just kept moving up to a all-time high in the last week of $1.65. So now what I do anticipate in the upcoming maybe days, weeks or so is price to come to about $1.35, where I will be entering and going long as well. And I will be anticipating, maybe not right away, it will have some, impulses and then corrections, but I'm anticipating a price to the $2.30 mark. I did, before price even hit above 50 cents, I posted this video. Well, I made a video and I did talk a little bit about this stock in the channel. So before this crazy movement, so you want to make sure that you are subscribed and that also you hit the bell icon so you're notified of any videos I upload so that you don't miss any huge gains like this. I mean, you don't want to be in a trade for days, months, weeks, and then you're just at break even, or you're just in huge drawdown and your account size just becomes smaller and smaller. And then when it does come back to your average price, you close because you just don't want to be exposed. You don't want to risk your money. Like, we don't want that. We want our money working for us. We don't want to just put it in, wait a few months, and then get nothing out of it. That's kind of pointless. At that point, you might as well just put it into a savings account and have it do nothing for you. At least there, you know that it's not going to go anywhere. It's always going to be like that. But what we want to do with trading is to grow our account, whether it be 10, 20%. I mean, this stock is just insane because how low it is, how volatile it is. If we see here, this is 5 years. So even with the price of 1,000, let's see, we do this one. Price of 1,400, we have this is $185. We have 1.73 million trading volume. Here we have, this price was at 1,400. We have 4,890 trading volume. Here we have 25,052. We get to current price a month ago. We are at where is it? Okay, we're right here at 383 million. So this stock is being traded insanely right now. It is kind of hot. I mean, you don't want to miss it until it's too late, and then there's a dump, and then you cannot maximize on that profit. Basically, you want to get it now while it's low, while it's basically at a good price. I will continue to analyze, wait for breaks and retests. Sometimes with a stock like this, there might not even be a retest here. So I'm just watching price, seeing what it's doing around here. I do have a falling wedge that also was created here. This one was a little smaller. I do anticipate a falling wedge here, and then a move to the upside. That is what I will be looking forward to in this stock, Camber Energy. I do have other ones as well that I am looking into right now. I see here, break retest. And then we have sky as the limit. Same thing here. We're looking at right here also. Sky is the limit as well. So there's a whole bunch of different stocks that I am in right now that I do anticipate making huge moves such as Camber Energy in the last week or so. So I will be talking about these, and if you guys want to add these to your watch list, make sure to do so too, because these huge moves they're not even necessarily huge moves with a stock that's $1.60. That's basically what Camber Energy was before market close on Friday. So for even the price to go up $1.50, you're looking at about 95% gain, which is kind of insane. So I would keep these in mind. I would add these to your watch list, and basically stay tuned, because I will be uploading more videos regarding these stocks and how to catch these insane gains in the stock market. Because as we know, Doge was just hot back then. It hit a total high of 75 cents, and it was below a penny. But now it's just not volatile at all. There's absolutely no. Let me see. I want to see what the trading volume is. Okay. No, it doesn't show anything. Okay, so it doesn't even show the trading volume, but you don't want to be stuck in this market for too long, because as you see in the last weeks, months, it just drops, and it's not creating such huge movements. It's maybe going up 3%, 2%, whereas Camber Energy has done 30, 40% days, even 20% pre-market. And you can capitalize on those, take your money out, and then reinvest into that stock when it drops. Again, it's not going to be an insane drop, even if it's a few cents, even like 5-10 cents. You're looking at 20%, 30%, 20% gain. So this is definitely a stock that I would keep my eye on, something I'll look out for. It is very high right now, and I'm expecting it to continue to be high, and I don't see it slowing down. Like I said, all-time high was about 4,700. Even if we get into $10, we're looking at massive gains for everybody, and that's what we're looking for. We want everybody to gain from the markets. We don't want people being left behind. We want everyone to stay informed, basically know about these stocks, know about the markets, and to also gain with us. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Also subscribe, and if you have any stocks in particular that you want me to go over to kind of talk about, to look at, I'll mention them in the comment section below, or you can always email me. It's in the about page. My email's in the about page. You can send me an email. I'll be more than happy to create a video regarding that stock or before it's pair or even cryptocurrency. And as always, take care, guys.